Did you know that the words you speak can shape your reality? In this video, we'll unlock the ancient wisdom of Buddhism and reveal how you can use your words to attract everything you desire: success, happiness, inner peace, and more. By changing the way you speak, you can change your life. Stay tuned to discover 7 powerful lessons that will transform your words into the ultimate tool for manifestation. Lesson 1. Affirm your goals positively. If you want to get what you want, one of the easiest and most powerful ways is to say good things about your goals. Affirmations are statements of purpose, and when you say something good about something, you're basically giving it life. When you speak, your goals come out, and your energy is in line with what you want to bring into your life. Affirmations that are positive can help you change your thoughts from uncertainty to certainty and from fear to confidence. Let's say you want to attract a better job, better relationships, or growth as a person. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, think about what you do have and say it out loud. Say something like, "I am capable and successful in everything I do," instead of, "I don't want to fail." This simple change in words changes the way you talk to yourself and starts making room for your goals to come true. It's important to say your goals in the present tense. Talk as if what you want has already happened. That makes you think that what you're looking for isn't something far away, but something close by. If you want to say, "I will be happy someday," say, "I am happy now, living a life of joy and peace." This reminds you that your goals are already a part of your life, which builds a strong base for manifesting them. It's best to say positive mantras over and over again. Every day, say them out loud as part of your practice. The more you say affirmations, the more you train your mind to think that what you want is possible. Soon, what you say will match what you think, and what you think will match what you do. This will bring you closer to the things you want to draw. Lesson 2. Clear your mind of all the things you want. The mind and words work together. When you talk about your wants in words, picture them clearly in your mind. Visualization is a powerful method in which you picture yourself reaching your goals and having the experiences you want. You can get what you want by using both your cerebral and subconscious minds when you pair words with mental pictures. When you say, "I am attracting abundance," picture yourself having a lot of money. Pay attention to the details, whether it's a fulfilling job, enough money, or a happy, healthy relationship. Think about how you'd feel, how you'd act around other people, and what your life would be like if your wishes came true. The link between what you're saying and reality is better if you can picture it more clearly and in more detail. In Buddhism, people often use imagery as a way to focus on good things during meditation. When you think of good things, you make it clear to the world what you want to bring into your life. This practice makes you more sure of your goals and gets rid of question, so you can act with confidence and clarity. Your words should go along with what you see. To picture a calm life, for instance, say things like, "I am at peace," or "My life is filled with harmony." Know that the words you use are shaping the world you want to create, so speak with purpose and confidence. Visualization and positive speech will help you get the chances and situations you want over time if you do them regularly. Lesson 3. Every day show gratitude. One of the best ways to use words to get more of what you want in life is to be grateful. You stop thinking about what you don't have and start thinking about what you do have when you say thank you. More good things and wealth can come into your life now that the energy has changed. As you go about your day, remember to be thankful for the little things that you already have. You could say, "I am grateful for the love and support of my family," or maybe, "I am thankful for the opportunities that come my way." You align with the energy of wealth when you say thank you. This makes it easier to attract more of what you want. Being grateful helps you keep a good attitude, which is important for manifesting. The universe reacts to the energy you send out, and when you say thank you, you let it know that you're ready to receive more. This doesn't mean you should ignore problems or challenges in your life, but when you focus on what you're grateful for, you raise your energy and bring good things into your life. Also, showing thanks is a humble thing to do. It recognizes that life is a gift and that every good thing that happens is something to be grateful for. Being thankful makes you open up to even more good things, because being thankful starts a cycle of giving and getting. You will find more things to be thankful for the more you give thanks. Lesson 4. Speak positively. The world we live in is shaped by the words we use. Negative language brings bad things into our lives, while positive language makes the world a better place. Speaking happily all the time will help you get what you want. This doesn't mean escaping reality or acting like everything is fine. It just means picking words that make you feel better instead of ones that make you feel bad. You could say, "This is an opportunity for growth," instead of "This is too hard," when you are faced with a challenge. Don't say, "I don't know what's going to happen," when someone asks you about your plans for the future. Instead, say, "I am working towards achieving my dreams." The way you think and the energy you bring into your life can change a lot with these small changes in words. Also, saying nice things can spread. People around you will be more likely to speak kindly if you do. Spreading good vibes and inspiring others to think the same way, your words have a ripple effect. In turn, this makes a positive and helpful space where everyone can do well. The Buddhist practice of right speech stresses how important it is to be honest, kind, and talk with purpose. When you talk positively, you not only bring good things into your life, but you also make other people happier. This makes your relationships more peaceful and helps you connect with the spirit of love, kindness, and success. Lesson 5. Make your goals clear. Your intentions are like a compass that tells you what to say and do. It means being clear about what you want to bring into your life and how you want to use your words. When you speak with purpose, you focus and direct your energy toward your goals. If you don't make your goals clear, your words might not go anywhere, and your efforts might feel like they are all over the place. But when you make clear goals, you make a plan for how to reach them. You could say something like, "I am committed to making healthy choices and taking care of my body." If your goal is to get healthier, these words will help you stay committed to your goals and stay on track when you say them clearly. Also, it's a good idea to go over your plans often. Your plans should change as your life changes so that your goals do too. You can keep your words in line with your goals and keep drawing what you want into your life by constantly refining your intentions. Intentions are more than just dreams. They are statements that you want to bring into your life. Making your plans clear and saying them out loud makes your wants stronger and more likely to come true. It's more powerful for your words to bring about the results you want when your goals are clear and specific. Lesson 6. Use empowering language. The key to developing a mindset of success and wealth is to use language that makes you feel good. What you say can either help you or hold you back. If you want to get everything you want in life, you need to use language that encourages you to act, deal with problems, and believe in your abilities. Instead of saying, "I'm not sure if I can do this," for example, say, "I am able to figure this out." Say something like, "I have the skills and talents to succeed," instead of "I'm not good enough." These small changes in language might not seem important, but they have a big effect on your confidence and belief in yourself. Speaking positively isn't the only way to use empowering language. You can also choose words that support your skills and abilities. Saying things that help you grow and be strong can help you think about the options instead of the problems. This change in how you think is very important if you want to attract the things and opportunities you want in life. Using words that makes people feel good becomes a habit the more you do it. You start to see problems as chances to learn and successes as lessons to be learned. This gives you a solid base for personal growth and success, making it easier to bring your dreams to life. Lesson 7. Have faith in the power of your words. Believe in the power of your words. This may be the last and most important lesson. If you don't say them with confidence and belief, words alone won't bring you what you want. When you really believe what you say, your feelings, thoughts, and actions become in line with what you want. This makes it easier for your desires to come true. Fear and doubt can make what you say less powerful. Words lose their power if you say what you want but don't believe it's possible. When you talk with trust and confidence, on the other hand, your words can bring about change. They make it clear to the world that you want what you want. It takes patience to believe what you say. There are times when manifestation takes time, but if you keep at it and have faith, your words will bring about the things you want. Believe that the universe is on your side, even if you can't see the effects right away. Keep telling the truth, keeping your goals in mind, and having faith in the power of your words. Overall, words have the power to bring you everything you want in life. It is possible to make your deepest wishes come true if you speak positively, set clear intentions, visualize your desires, express gratitude, speak positively, set clear intentions, use empowering language, and believe in the power of your words. Your words are the most valuable thing you have. If you use them well, they will help you find the life you want.